Hey guys, so I have my bag of used Yankee Twist hair, that I wore and removed for reinstallation. So now it's about that time when I'm getting ready to reinstall them. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just rinse them somewhat. I'm gonna be using the apple cider vinegar rinse from Cream of Nature, the argan oil um, apple cider vinegar rinse. Smells really good, and because of that I can just go ahead and use this as the only product on the hair, because it will remove the buildup. Not only that, but it will also smell super nice. So I'm not gonna do the conditioner step, just a quick rinse and we are good to go. Well, it look like pee in the water though. All right, so once I add that, I'm just gonna dump the hair in the water. Yes, and just leave it to soak for about 15 minutes. And then rinse, and we're good to go. So after about 15 minutes, we can already see the water has gotten way dirtier than it was before. So you can tell that the buildup has been removed from the hair. So I'm just pouring off that water initially from the hair and then adding some fresh water to rinse it again. I did decide to go ahead and just add some leave-in conditioner to the water, the second round of water, just to soften up the hair a little bit. So I'm just adding back the hair to that water, allowing it to sit for just maybe 10 minutes. And yeah, after that we are pretty much good to go. Now I had a dilemma deciding where to put the hair for it to be dried, and we just decided to put it on our back patio because it was very cool. It was somewhat windy, so the hair dried in record time. So I was able to lay it flat on my chair. All right, so the hair is now ready, yes, for the installation. So it's game time. All right, guys, so I figured I will not put you guys through the turmoil of watching me install this hair again. I have done about 10 videos already between myself and my clients, showcasing how to install the hair. But I do want you guys to see how it looks after it's installed. Yes, second time around, washed, and about to put it in. This is the braid pattern. Nothing fancy. I literally just braided everything back, and that's because I'm not planning to wear this here for too long. I just wanted something for the New Year's Eve. I actually wanted to install a jet black hair. The hair would not have been available in time, and so yeah, I had to just fall back on something else that I thought would be cute and would be fitting for the occasion. But yeah, so the next time you see me, my hair would have already been installed. So stay tuned, and I definitely will link maybe one or two videos down below for you guys, so that if you've never seen it, if you're new to the channel and you've never seen me install it, then I will do that so that you guys can do that. All right. Anyway, stay tuned. I'll be back. Guys, so I'm almost done. I only have this much left to install, and I'm just trying to figure out where I want to put it. But yeah, I did mention before that I wasn't going to show you guys the installation process because you guys already have seen me do it before. So, this video is just to show you how the hair looks after it is removed and washed. And I will definitely also link the video that I did showing you guys how I remove it easily. Yes, I have a removal hack, so that if you guys don't want to spend forever trying to get out these tiny Yankee twists from your hair, then you definitely want to watch that video so you guys can see the trick that I showed you. Yeah, so you guys can see how I removed it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and continue, you know, installing these last pieces. Then I will just give you guys an up close and personal look at how the hair is. All right, guys, so I'm all done reinstalling the hair, and I just want you guys to get into how nice the hair looks. Like, I want you guys to really get this. That's the highlight of this video, to show you guys that, because I've been saying it, the hair is reusable, the hair is reusable, the hair is reusable, but I never ever did reuse it. But yeah, I figured that I would do a video actually washing and reusing the hair, and this is how it looks brand spanking new. I'm not seeing any undue frizzing. Even if it frizzes, the nature of the hair is that it's kinky hair, and so it would not be an issue. The hair is looking absolutely fabulous. So for those who have been, you know, exclaiming about the price point, this is something that might, you know, cause you guys to think twice, because of the fact that there is longevity with using the hair. I will go ahead and leave the link down below. I believe I did say it before, but I'm gonna leave the link down below to show you guys how I remove the hair so that it doesn't, you know, get destroyed or damaged, and it is removable quickly, because you guys see how small and tiny these twists are. So if you were to try to remove them one by one, baby, it would be disastrous. So I will leave the link down below to show you the hack and the shortcut as to how to remove it. But yeah, just wanted you guys to see how the hair looks. I might go in and trim it up, but it's not even really necessary. It is New Year's Eve. I just wanted to get my hair done so that I can look half decent for the beginning of the year. I believe that how you start the year is how your year might continue. So my hair was looking really busted, and I just didn't want to, you know, I wanted to feel a little bit good about myself and my appearance. So I'm like, you know what, let me get this hair done. Did not have any new hair to use, and I'm like, didn't I have some hair left over from my install a few months ago? So draw for it, reinstalled it, and I am good to go. Yeah. Crochet Braids Plus, you are the bomb. Your hair is the bomb. Your hair stands up to its claim to be long-lasting, reusable, washable, and all that good stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I do hope you enjoyed it. And if you have ever bought the hair or tried the hair, comment down below and let me know if you have and how you love it. Any other questions about the hair? Be sure to just drop the comment down below, and I'll be sure to answer you guys. Wishing you guys all the best for 2024. I do pray that God will bless you and your family, that he will enlarge your territory, and that he will just grant you the desires of your heart according to his will. Much love. Stay tuned to Natural Hair in the Mix. 2024 is going to be a banger. Talk to you guys on my next one. Toodaloo.